I'm having two stock footages on my timeline on which I want to add a glitch transition. So first I'm going into effects library. In the search bar you can type adjustment clip. You can grab that adjustment clip, leave it over your timeline on video slot number 2, decrease it on length on which you want to be the duration of that transition. I'm leaving mine on about 7 or 8 frames and I'm positioning it right in between my two clips. In the effects library, then I'm typing glitch. Then I'm grabbing this digital glitch and I'm leaving it over my adjustment clip. I'm gonna leave the default settings of that digital glitch, and then all you have to do is you can find a power up sound effect, leave it under that adjustment clip and play it through. On my timeline I'm having a stock footage of a music video, so I'm going in the effects library and I'm typing transform. On open effects I'm seeing that transform, I'm grabbing it and I'm leaving it over my main footage. Now I'm opening the inspector while my footage is highlighted, I'm expanding the image adjustment and I'm increasing the edge softness to 1 and the edge rounding to a values of 0.8. Once we got that out of the way, we can go back to effects library and in the search bar we can type dent. In open effects we can find that dent and once again you can grab it and leave it over your main footage, and then you can go back on the inspector in the dent effects and on the dent type you can select type number 2. Next step is that you can increase the values of size to about 0.5 and also the values of strength you can reduce it to about 0.4. That way you're creating a simple fisheye effect which you can use for music videos. Now let's preview. So next up we're having this reverse effect in which you can use it in many different kinds of videos. In my case I'm gonna use the reverse on that video, so I'm gonna pick the part on which I want to start the reverse effect. I'm gonna use it right here, so I'm gonna cut everything after that part. I'm pressing Ctrl B and I'm deleting all the remainings. Then we need to make a duplicate of that clip, so I'm holding Alt and I'm dragging it. Now we have the same clip twice, I'm connecting them together. First off, I'm gonna start editing the second part, so I'm right clicking on the second clip, I'm selecting change clip speed and then I'm selecting reverse speed. And now our second clip is in reverse, but we're far away from done. I'm gonna preview for a second just so you can have a look on what we have so far. So the first clip is playing like normal speed, and when we come to the second one, it is going in reverse. And how we can make it better is that we can add a little bit of speed ramping or some sort of it. So I'm selecting the second one, I'm pressing Ctrl R, that way we can change the speed. We're gonna grab the end part of that and we're gonna take it to the left so that we can increase the speed. As you can see right now, the speed of that second clip is about 351%. Now we're gonna do the same for the first one, well, almost the same. We're gonna press Ctrl R again, and this time we're gonna add a speed point at the end of the first part of the clip. It should be around here. I'm pressing the down menu here, I'm adding a speed point, then down menu here and change speed, and I'm gonna leave the end part of that clip to about 50 or 75%. I'm leaving mine on 75 and I'm gonna speed up the first part and I'm gonna leave it to about 150%. Once we set up the speed, we can connect back the clips together and then we can play it through to see the effect. And we're gonna end the video with two texture effects, fire and water. So first up we have a stock footage and I'm going to effects library and I'm typing the text. I'm adding the text over that stock footage and I'm writing the text. I'm saying fire, I'm increasing the size and the color. Then I'm going back to effects library and this time I'm looking for adjustment clip. I'm leaving that adjustment clip on video slot number 3. And then I'm going to open effects and I'm looking for fast noise and I'm adding that fast noise over my adjustment clip. Then I'm going in the inspector while the adjustment clip is highlighted and I'm selecting the preset to heat haze, and that way we're creating that fire look texture on our text. And now we're gonna create the water texture, so I'm gonna use our second footage. I'm gonna add a text there as well. Actually for a background we're having just a picture, so we're gonna make that work. Again, I'm setting up the text on water and I'm increasing the size. I'm adding an adjustment clip on video slot number 3 just over the text. And now I'm looking for fast noise, which is in open effects. I'm applying it over the adjustment clip and this time we're setting the preset to water surface. And when I play it through, you can see that my image is moving as well as the text, and we have created a water surface. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.